Peace and blessings. Inner peace to you. Hey yo, Inner Peace Guy here with a positive message. If you're going through something right now, trust and believe it's your battle to get through, and what's waiting on you on the other side is glory. So just keep pushing, keep being positive, stay on your purpose. Don't worry about what's going wrong, because it's making way for things to go right. Remember that. Don't punish yourself. Don't get mad. Just take it on, embrace it, take a deep breath, and recognize what's going on and how God is shaping your life. Remember, be kind to yourself out here.